Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to take a small piece of paper and fold it from its corner. Look how we're doing here. Put your thumb on the top of it and keep twisting it and make this beautiful shape. In place of this crepe paper, you can also take a white color of tissue paper. After this, we're going to start rolling it like we're doing here in this video. And look, your flower is ready. Finally, we're going to tie it using a thread. You can also tie it using a rubber band in place of this and cut the extra part from the bottom side. Put a green stick inside it and cover it using floral tape for a clean look. Put the leaves on the top of it and combine them as well. And look, your beautiful flower stick is ready. You can make more such flowers and gift it to your loved ones. Here we are going to cut a small piece of this pink ribbon. Now take a thread and needle. Here we are going to make these pleats using the needle, as you can see. And then we are going to twist it look like this. Now using lighter, we are going to fix it from the bottom part. Look how we are doing here. Cut the extra part and look, your flower is ready. Now we are going to paste it on the top of this multiple pieces of plastic. You can make this using the plastic bottle and paste all the flowers on the top of it, and look, your flower is ready. You can take a credit or debit card for the proper measurement and roll the ribbon around it. Now take out and we are going to fold it and make more such flower petals. After this, we are going to paste all the flower petals in a straight line. We are using multiple color here. You can use one single color as well. Now take a green stick and paste it and then start rolling it. Look how we are doing here in this video. You can paste it using hot glue gun and look, your rose flower is ready. Put the leaves and look, it is ready. You can make more such colorful flowers for decoration. Here we are going to cut these ribbons, fold them like this, and we are going to take multicolor here. After this, we're going to fix the loose ends using this lighter, as you can see. Now combine all three together and using thread and needle, we're going to sew them. Look how we're doing here. We're making multiple pleat and pull the thread tightly, and finally you will get this beautiful flower. We're going to tie a knot on the bottom side and stitch them together. Open all the petals like we're doing here in this video and look at this beautiful flower. Put a green stick and look, it is ready. You can make more such beautiful flowers for decoration. Look how pretty these are looking. We're going to take this pink color of ribbon and using needle we're going to sew it and make these multiple pleats. As you can see from the middle, we're going to put the needle on the edge of it. Now we're going to spin it like this, adjust the sides using this fire, and we are going to fix the loose ends like this. Put a pearl and your flower is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.